everybody. Today I want to talk to you about a cool little command line app that I got from Brett Terpstra, again, one of my favorite Mac developers. So here's its info. It basically gives you all the info you need to know about an app on your system in a nice format. So here's an example. Let's open up the terminal. I use iCharm 2 for anybody who wants to know. So let's type Appinfo. And let's try text expander. There we go. And here it is. It gives you the location, bundle ID, the size of the file, released when, the last update I got, and then some of this, the copyright info and category, some it might not have. And one more thing, it usually has a icon of the image of the app that I have not been able to get working. So, and this works just fine for me. Again, my Mac is rather old, so not everything may work as expected. And let's try another app, and then we can see how it gets installed. So let's try Appinfo. Oops. TextMate. And here, this time it does give you the category and copyright, and it gives you the architecture. So the architecture is if your Mac is a Intel-based Mac, which mine is, as you can see, or a M1 Mac, Apple architecture. So to install this, you would need to go to Brett Terpstra's website. So we're gonna go, let's try Chrome. Here we go. And guys, while this is loading up, it really helps my channel if you guys subscribe and like this video and share it. So we're going to type Brett Terpstra in a second. So here's the article that Brett talks about this little utility app. And to install it, you need to go get his script from his GitHub. What you would do is you would copy all of this. You can actually go to raw and then select all, copy it, and then place it into whatever text editor you have. So I have TextMate. Let's see if it opens a new document. Here we go. So I'm gonna cancel this for now. And then I would save this as Appinfo. and remove the extension. And here's a key to where to save it. On the desktop. So here it is, the desktop. And I'd place it there. And I would close this out. So I'm going to close TextMate out. And I'm going to minimize both Chrome and the terminal. And then I'm going to go to the Finder and hit Command-Shift-G, I believe is the, and then go to User Local Bin and go to that folder. It's a hidden folder in your library. So go to this exact user. I had to ask online to be able to find out how to get this executed. So this is where you have to go. And let's see, I think I should already have it in here. So I'm gonna there it is, I think. So I don't have to move. There's mine already. So what you'd basically do is you move this code script that you just created, move it into this folder, and then run this command in the terminal. So let's go back to Chrome for now, and then go to back here. You would copy this command for the first time. Copy it, and then go to terminal. You paste it here and run this this command to get it to execute, and obviously install and recognize your all the apps that you have on your system. After that, you can basically run any app and find the information for it. So here's one more app that we can test. Oh, ScreenFlow, not Screencast. So let's try. There it is. And it gives you all the information you would need, except for I cannot get the image or icon for the app that the info is looked up to appear. That's probably because of my system. On your system, in all likelihood, it'll work. It should appear to look something like this. So this is the example that Brett used to discuss this little tool. All right, everybody, remember, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you plan on using this app, or you have something better, or what you would like to see from my videos in the future. All right, everyone, I'll see you all in the next video.